And so let's look at question 11.2.8. And in this question, we're looking at this figure. Right, so we're looking at this figure right here. And the question is, what's the difference between ADE and BDC? So what's the difference between these in size? Unfortunately, we don't have much to measure with there, but what you can see is that there's two larger triangles. So there's this right triangle there, ABC, and there's a right triangle here, ABE. And they have this area in common right here. And so we're going to take advantage of that fact. And so when you think about it, think about these big triangles. Okay. So you've got this big triangle, ABC. Okay. And then you've got this other triangle, ABE. Now, what's the difference between these two? Okay. What's the difference in area between those two? And so you've got this area, so the area in the yellow plus the area in the green. So the one triangle is yellow plus green, and the other triangle is the blue plus the green. And so the difference between them is just what we're looking for is how much more is this yellow area here than the blue area. But what we can do is we can just subtract ABE, so I would say E here, from the other. So let's give that a try. Okay, so we've got the diagram in focus a little bit here. And so we're going to say, let's get the area first of ABE. So it's 1/2 base times height. So it'll be 1/2 8 times 4. So that's the area of ABE. Okay, and then if we look at the other triangle, ABC, what's the area of that? Well, it'll just be 1/2. Think of the base maybe as 6, and that is 4. And that'll be the area of the other triangle. That's the area of ABC. Now, if we subtract those two, what are we going to get? And so what I want you to think about is, well, we know that this area is in common. So the difference between the two areas will be this guy minus this guy will explain the area. Okay, so the area of ABE equals 1/2 of 32 equals 16.